Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Okay, guys, take a deep breath in and out. Everything is all right. In the last hours, we witnessed one of the largest market flush events in Bitcoin's history. Over $19.28 billion were cleared, including $16.79 billion from long positions and $2.49 billion from short ones. More than 65,000 Bitcoin were removed from open interest. This bar looks extraordinary compared to all previous daily clearings going back to April this year. You might ask what happened to my own setups. One of them had to be closed early to maintain available capital in case we drop below 100,000. At the same time, the sharp decline from 107,000 to 102,000 occurred almost instantly. My trigger around 103,000 activated there. My main setup was also adjusted, lowering the average entry from 124,000 to 115,000. So far, the price action is showing resilience around the 112,000 area, supported by signals from Wavetrend and MACD. The whole event felt close to a black swan scenario. Let's call it a gray one. It all unfolded following China's new export restrictions on rare earth minerals, materials crucial for electronics, defense, and renewable energy. In response, President Trump announced a 100% tariff on all Chinese imports starting November 1, 2025, calling China's action an unacceptable attack on U.S. supply chains. Every major market felt the shock. The S&P 500 closed Friday down 3.13%, a huge move for an asset worth over $55 trillion. The Russell Index dropped 4.71%. Only gold finished slightly positive, up 1.3% for the day. This downturn is not healthy for the broader economy, but history shows that such situations often ease after renewed negotiations or temporary waivers. The same playbook could apply here. At the moment, price is already recovering and trades around 113.4 thousand. Now let's take a look at the broader data maps. On the one-week view, the movement from 115,000 to 102,000 achieved little in terms of clearing open positions. Most of the leverage pressure was centered between 119,000 and 116,000. However, on the 3-month perspective, the long-term support that had been building since early September, near 106.8 thousand, appears mostly gone. Future target areas are visible between 126,000 and 128,000, which would mark fresh record levels. The spot-based exchange-traded products closed Friday with 78.7 million in net outflows. BlackRock's numbers were still missing, so it was a relatively mild red day. Let's see if larger participants step in after the weekend, once they realize the panic might have been overdone. From the lowest point of this event to the current price, Bitcoin has already rebounded by roughly 10%, almost instantly on the 1-hour chart. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time analysis and leave me a comment about your story of this event. Click the like button if you got value from this video and subscribe with notifications turned on to stay updated. And see you in the next one.